Hi children, today we are going to discuss class 7 chapter number 5 lines and angle. Try this and think, discuss and write page number 96. Think, discuss and write. Can two obtuse angles be supplementary? What is the meaning of supplementary? Supplementary means sum of two angles if you add you have to get 180 degree, that is supplementary, right? So if you add two obtuse angle we will not get supplementary, correct? It will be more than 90 degree. So two angles will be more than 90 degree means we will not get it. So answer is no. Can two acute angle be supplementary? No. Acute angle means it will be less than 90 degree. So we will not get less than 90. If two angles will be less than 90 degree means will not get supplementary also, correct? So supplementary means we should get 180. So answer is no. Can two right angle be supplementary? Yes. How means if you add one right angle is 90 degree, then two right angle is 180, correct? So if you add two right angle, then we will get the supplementary. Yes, find the pair of supplementary angles. So which two angles if you add, you will get the supplementary angle, that means 180 degree. So if you check the first one, 110 and 50 if you add 160, 105 and 65 if you add 170. So 170 also it's not a supplementary. 130 and 50 if you add you will get 180. So that's the supplementary, correct? Because we got 180 as the answer. Next 45 degree plus 45 degree if you add you will get 90 degree. It's not a supplementary, it is a half of supplementary, correct? It will go with complementary. Which of the following measure of the supplement of each one of the following angles? That means they gave one angle, you want to find what is the supplementary angle for the given measurement. Okay, so 180 degree. So 180 degree means supplementary minus 100. If you do, you will get 80 as the answer. So 180 or supplementary. If you add 180, you will get 180. If you are not getting this method, second method also is there. Don't know which number is that. So we are taking it as x plus 90 degree equals to 180 degree. So x is equals to 180. Here it is plus. When it goes to opposite side, it will become minus. So 180 minus 90. Then we will get the x value. So 90 degree and 90 degree if you add, you will get the supplementary angle. Next 55 degree. So 55 degree means 180 minus 55. You will, if you do the subtraction, then you will get 125. Then third sum also, x plus 125 degree. We don't know what is the supplement angle for 125. So you can take it as x. Again, if you do the same procedure, then you will get x value is 55. Though 125 and 55 are supplementary angles. Among two supplementary angles, the measure of larger angle is 44 degree more than the measure of the smaller one. Yes, solution. First, what are the things they give? Larger angle will be x plus 44. Okay, we don't know what is the what value is, that is if you add you have to add 44 with that. Smaller value is we are taking as x. So x plus 44 plus x is equals to 180 degree. Then x plus x is 2x, correct? So 180, here it is plus. If it goes to opposite side, it will become minus, right? So 2x is equals to 180 minus 44, you will get 136. So 2x, it's in multiplication. When it goes to opposite side, it will become division. So x is equals to 68. Now we got the x value. So 68 plus 44 equals to 112. That is the larger angle. Then what is the x value? 68. That is the smaller angle. I hope so. This was clear. If you have any doubt, you can leave in comment section. Thank you.